Hi everyone, it's me Haley. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how I did my eyebrows using the new Patrick Ta's shaping wax. It gave me more of a bushy feathery look that I kind of wanted, so if you're interested to see how I do that, then just keep watching. So the first thing you're going to do is take the shaping wax and some setting spray and spray the product into the wax, and you're going to take the end of the spoolie and just go over the product. So after you activate the product, you're going to brush up the hairs into the direction you want it to go. So in this case, I'm brushing it up because I wanted to make it seem like it's fuller. And towards the end, I'm just kind of brushing it to the side. Can you guys see the difference between my right and left eyebrow? And now I'm basically doing the same thing to the other eyebrow. So now we're going to take the angle side of the brush and kind of just push up the hairs and kind of laminate them down into place. And then again, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Can you guys see how much feathery and bushier my eyebrows look already? So now I'm going to go in with some powder and just kind of fill in the emptier spots and make it a little bit darker. And this is basically the finished look with the shaping wax and some powder. Now I'm going to try on the lip crayon for you guys to see how it looks like. So now that you guys have seen how I use the products, I'm going to briefly talk about each one and what I think about them. Starting with the lip crayon, this color was in the color She's Humble, and I really like the color. Look at it. It's like basic, natural, nude almost. It's your everyday color. Well, my everyday color. I kind of use this color every single day in a different type of form, like in a lip pencil. And in comparison, I really like how this was an angled tip. It made it so much easier for me to line my lips. And I also like how it was also like a clicky function because whenever I use a lip pencil, I would have to resharpen it. But in this case, you don't have to. All you have to do is just click it up and more comes out, and it's so easy to use. The formula itself is pretty okay. Honestly, I wish it was a little bit creamier just because I like to use like the lip crayon all over my lips, and sometimes my lips are dry, but it didn't accentuate any of the dryness and it wasn't drying at all. So the lip liner was okay. I might not spend the same price point for this lip crayon just because I already have a lip liner that has the same color and it's not drying, and it's probably like $5 to be honest from the brand Essence. I just hope they continue making that. But yeah, the lip crayon is like a nice little splurge if you want to spend your money on the packaging, the color, and like the easy compact or compactability of the product itself. So that's what I think about the lip crayon. Moving on to the boy brush. Boy brush. I was going to call it the boy brow, but the brush itself. This brush, I think it's like your standard eyebrow brush. It has an angle tip, and then this side is the spoolie. I feel like there's a lot on the market with the same like silhouette, and it's much cheaper, but this did get the job done, so it's not like it's a bad brush or anything. And I like how it's like rose gold or light pink, and it's very lightweight too. So it did its purpose. So just take what you will with that. If you want to spend like $18 for a brush, it's up to you. And lastly, the main focal point of this video is the Patrick Ta shaping wax. So I bought it in clear and tinted, and honestly, I personally love the clear one so much better than the tinted one, just because I felt like when I messed up with the tinted one, it was harder for me to kind of clean up the eyebrow area without messing up my makeup that I already had on my face. So yeah, the clear gel itself, it's waxy, but it didn't like dry or make my eyebrow hairs like crispy like some brow waxes that I've personally used before. And yeah, I would definitely recommend getting one or the other. Honestly, probably the clear one, and I really love it because I haven't been really be able to achieve this like waxy, not waxy, this feathery bushy look for my eyebrows before. And with that, with this, I was really able to achieve that. I did also have to go in with some like powder just because my eyebrow hairs are so light and there are some empty spaces. So that's the only like probably downside, is that although this is like, I mean, the tinted one is colored, I don't think you would be able to go into this product itself to kind of like spot powder the missing places or whatever. So that's all I have to say for the Patrick Ta beauty line. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!